Greetings and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing who Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva are. For many, this trinity is simply deities to be worshipped. However, yogis say these are not fictional characters. These are three great sages who dedicated their lives to knowledge, spiritual practice, and the expansion of consciousness. Over time, this Trimurti took the form of various sects within society. Shaivism, those who consider Shiva as supreme. Vaishnavism, those who consider Vishnu as the protector. Brahmanism, those who consider Brahma as the creator. Shaktism, those who consider the goddess as the ultimate power. These sects provided different guidance to the followers of Sanatan Dharma. The Vedas, Gita and Upanishads do not explicitly mention the Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Yogis say this concept was only expanded upon in the Puranas. In Vedic concepts, these three forces symbolized natural principles like creation, preservation and destruction. However, certain principles in the Vedic period laid the foundation for these forces. Hiranyagarbha. In the Rig Veda, Hiranyagarbha is considered the originator of creation. This concept was later associated with Brahma, Vishnu. In Vedic times, Vishnu was considered a symbol of vastness and preservation. He is the force that gives stability to the universe. Rudra was considered the force of destruction and rebirth. This same force later evolved into Shiva. The role of the Puranas. The Puranas were composed much later than the Vedic period, in the medieval era. As the influence of Christianity and Islam grew, learned scholars composed the Puranas to strengthen Sanatan Dharma. The Puranas presented Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva as the Trimurti. This concept helped bring the four main sects, Shaiva, Vaishnava, Brahmana and Shakta, together. Goddesses were portrayed as companions to this Trimurti, which played a role in unifying the sects. Shiva became the god of destruction and reconstruction. Vishnu was portrayed as the preserver and manager. Brahma was presented as the creator. By keeping the goddesses as companions to this Trimurti, importance was given to the various forms of Shakti. This helped bring Shaiva, Vaishnava, Brahmana and Shakta sects under one roof. The avatar of Buddha. To incorporate Buddhism, the Puranas depicted Buddha as the ninth avatar of Vishnu. This clearly shows an attempt to establish religious unity. Yogis say the Trimurti are deities, not God. They represent natural forces. Today, people are under the illusion that God, deities, and Bhagwan are all the same. But the reality is different. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva are not just figures to be worshipped. They are symbols of knowledge, consciousness, and guidance. If we only see Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva as deities, we forget their true teachings. These figures were ancient sages who guided human civilization. They established schools of thought that provided society with deep knowledge and consciousness. We must understand the true teachings of these great personalities. By imbibing their ideals and knowledge into our lives, we must lead society on the path of progress. These figures are not figments of imagination. Respecting their knowledge and contributions, we must implement their true teachings in our lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.